Did you know that a small patch of hair loss can progress to complete loss of hair, not just on your head, but also your eyebrows, your eyelashes, and your entire body? This condition is called alopecia areata. It often causes severe anxiety and leaves patients with a sense of helplessness. It is an autoimmune disorder where the body's immune system, which should ideally protect the body, treats the hair follicle as a foreign object and attacks it, causing it to fall. Conditions like anemia and thyroid may also be associated with alopecia areata. Stress not only causes, but also makes the condition worse. Unlike other forms of hair loss, this hair loss unfortunately also affects children. As they say, every cloud has a silver lining. And the good news for patients with alopecia areata is that there is no damage to the hair follicle, and with the right treatment, all the lost hair can be regained. Homeopathy treats alopecia areata safely, surely, and most importantly, without any side effects, unlike any other form of treatment. Homeopathy addresses the emotional triggers like stress that in many patients cause and increase patchy hair loss. Homeopathy also brings the deviated immunity to normal, hence giving you a chance to regain all your lost hair.